Hopefully you're able to get some information out of these videos. I think when it's all said and done, I think you're going to, throughout your life, I think you're going to start learning a lot from videos, YouTube, or different types of do-it-yourself videos. I think there's so much information on the internet these days you can virtually learn anything you want, and you don't have to be somewhere specific. So hopefully you're getting that out of these videos, that you can learn from them. You don't have to be with an instructor 24/7 to learn from them. You can watch a video and pause it and rewind it and try and figure it out. So how can we try and figure this one out? On the left side I have sines, on the right side I have cosines. So it doesn't matter which side I start, but whichever side I start, I'm going to start with the left side. I want to change these sines so they look like cosines. But I don't have something for sine to the fourth. I do have something for sine squared. But maybe let's factor this first. And I spent a lot of time trying to figure this problem out the first time I saw it. Now that I've seen it, a number of times since I've been teaching this course, it's just easier. So and hopefully that gets that way with you after you see a few of these problems. Anyways, to the problem. So what do they both have in common? Well, they both have sine squared. So I'm going to factor that out of the first term. If I do that, I'm left with 1. Minus, if I take sine squared away from sine to the fourth, I'm left with sine squared. Okay, well, what is sine squared in terms of cosine squared? Well, sine squared is 1 minus cosine squared. And 1 minus cosine squared is, 1 minus sine squared is cosine squared. Now if I rainbow this out, I get cosine squared x minus cosine to the fourth x. And that equals cosine squared x minus cosine to the fourth x.